year is 2026, and CFMOTO just raised the bar. Again, introducing the all-new 2026 CFMOTO CFORCE C5 Touring. Starting at just $64.99, this machine delivers everything you need, and nothing you don't. This isn't just another mid-size ATV. This is the golden ratio of power, price, and pure usability. Ready to work, ready to explore, ready for anything. Now, check out these numbers. 34 horsepower, 29 pound-feet of torque, 10.3 inches of ground clearance, 1,350 pounds of towing capacity, a 2,500-pound factory winch, and four-wheel drive with differential lock. Here's the best part. All of it comes standard. No upgrades, no add-ons, no surprises. Just pure, uncompromising capability right out of the box. The CFORCE C5 Touring delivers confident, smooth performance with a liquid-cooled 500cc engine and ride-by-wire throttle precision. Class-leading vibration reduction keeps you comfortable, whether it's a quick ride or an all-day adventure. Let's dive under the hood. A single-cylinder, liquid-cooled, four-stroke power plant with SOHC 4-valve technology puts out 34 horsepower at 6,800 RPM and 29 pound-feet of torque at 6,000 RPM. Bosch electronic fuel injection ensures precise, efficient power delivery in any condition. Power flows through a CVTech CVT transmission with park, reverse, neutral, high, and low modes, giving you complete control over every situation. The liquid cooling system keeps everything running at optimal temperature, even when you're pushing hard. And with 460 watts of charging output, you've got plenty of juice for accessories and devices. Now let's talk about control. Electronic power steering, or EPS, is tuned to perfection. It assists when you need it and stays firm when you don't. Responsive on the trail, confident in the corners, effortless all day long. The double A-arm independent suspension, front and rear, combined with spring preload adjustable oil-damped shocks, delivers 7.5 inches of wheel travel up front and 8.9 inches at the rear. 12-inch cast aluminum wheels wrapped in aggressive 25-inch tires, paired with hydraulic disc brakes and a parking brake, give you the grip and the stopping power to handle any terrain. The CFORCE C5 Touring is loaded with smart features. A crisp 3.5-inch LCD display keeps all your vital information visible at a glance. RideVision LED headlights and taillights with backup lights provide bright, efficient illumination and a modern, aggressive look. That 2,500-pound factory winch? It's built in, wired up, and ready for recovery, logs, or snowbanks. Steel racks with composite covers offer 75 pounds of capacity up front and 132 pounds at the rear. A 2-inch hitch receiver, 12-volt outlet, USB port, and front bumper all come standard. With a 4.5-gallon fuel tank and a compact turning radius of just 9.1 feet, this ATV is as practical as it is capable. Available in 3 stunning finishes: pearl white, magma red, and true timber Canadi camo, the 2026 CFMOTO CFORCE C5 Touring. Whether you're hauling firewood, exploring the backcountry, or plowing through fresh snow, this machine just shows up and gets it done.